So I'm here at the First Choice Community Center in Columbia. We're gonna go inside and cook up some healthy recipes that taste great. Come on. Hey everyone, my name is Marcus Lattimore and I'm here with Brook Brittain, a registered dietitian from SCDHEC SNAP program. And I'm a little bit excited right now because I see some of my favorite fruit, but I don't know what we're making.
All right, so we're going to be making fruit and yogurt parfaits. Again, this is one of our go-tos that we do with our children, with our SNAP Ed classes that we do all around the state, going to different schools and after-school programs. We love to try out these healthy snacks with the kids. So just a simple fruit and yogurt parfait. Anybody ever had one of these before? Any of you guys had them? Oh yeah, I figured. So some simple ingredients. So what we're going to start with is the yogurt. Now, typically we go with plain yogurt because we got the fruit to add a little bit of sweetness. So we need some help. Who's looking to help? I know you guys want to make a parfait. Anybody want to help? Come on down. All right. So I'm gonna grab you a cup. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna add some yogurt to the cup first. So go ahead and put a few spoonfuls in there for me. So again, that yogurt, tons of benefits. So what food group does yogurt go into? Is that dairy or is that vegetables?
Dairy.
Dairy, right? And what's the big thing that they push milk and yogurt and cheese for? What's the big vitamin mineral that you need that's in it? Anybody know?
Calcium.
Calcium, way to go, good job. So calcium does what? Helps your bones and your teeth. So that's why we definitely try to get some yogurt in, some milk, some cheese. So that looks good. Okay, so go ahead and stick that spoon back in there. So let's do some fruit now. I'll let you start on this side. You wanna grab some strawberries, so grab that spoon and scoop a few into your cup you have. So the parfaits, you know, there's no method to the madness. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. You can use whichever fruits you like. You can kind of switch it up.
Is this type of a dish, like you could do whatever you want to do?
Absolutely, you really can, Marcus. Like whatever you got laying in the house. You know, if you had some mangoes or if you had, you know, any other type of fruit that you really like, you could use some of those. These are some of my favorites, but you definitely can mix up and put some different fruits in. So go ahead and grab some pineapples. And then we'll grab a couple blueberries, and then I'm gonna have somebody else help finish the other half of it. That sounds good. So again, fruits provide what? What do we get out of fruits? Why are they so healthy for us? Anybody know? Vitamins, good job. Vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. So those boost your immune system. They also have fiber. So and I'm sure you might have heard something about that with Marcus, you know, in your
100%.
training days. They've always probably pushed you getting some fiber in too. Helps out with digestion. So it does a lot of things. It makes you feel full. So that's your other big thing. All right, perfect. Who's gonna help finish for us? The slide on it? Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna have you do the mandarin oranges and the bananas and then our granola. So that granola, that whole grain cereal, gives you tons of benefits too. Lots of nutrition, lots of vitamins. It gives it a good crunch, which is what I really like. But again, mix up your fruits, but stick with that plain yogurt because I worry if you use the flavor, you're gonna definitely get some extra sugar in it.
So are people eating this around breakfast more than anything?
That's a great question, Marcus. Yeah, this definitely could be a good starter to the day. Could be a good snack too. This might be something I might want to do mid-morning or maybe late afternoon when I'm getting hungry. And I work in an office, so instead of me making that bad choice at that vending machine, maybe this could be a better alternative. How's that look? What do you think?
Good.
All right.
Looks awesome.
Who's gonna get to taste it? That's the #1 question, right? Okay, a hand shot up first. All right, we'll pass the spoon over to you. All right, dig on in. Let's see what you think. And I always kind of like to mix mine up a little bit. Get that granola mixed in, all the fruits and the yogurts.
Oh, that's gonna be good.
Looks good, right? Marcus is jealous. He's getting the next
So
one.
jealous.
Yeah, and Brooke, what's the next one, huh? Nice big bite. What do we think? Oh, we got a thumbs up. All right, great job. Thanks for trying it. Thanks for all the help, guys, with making it.
Thank you, Brooke.
Marcus, thanks so much.
Eating right is a part of First Choice Fit.
Absolutely.
So we thank Brooke so much for being here today, and looks like I'm about to dig into.
All right.